Hi. Are we ready?
All right. Yeah.
All right. So I've never grown potatoes before. I have no idea what's going to happen here, but we've got this nice bed about a foot deep of loam that I've put over the growing plants, and now we're going to see if there's anything in here that resembles a potato. I've cleared the weeds away already. I'm going to clear the potato vines away. That's not a great sign right there. Oh, look, there's a potato.
Let's see that monster.
There's one.
Oh boy.
Let's put it over here with the seed potatoes that came off the vine.
Those are seed potatoes.
And then we're gonna just start digging. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
What's that? That
There you go.
is a potato.
Is that a russet? No.
It's a red. It's a, forget what kind. That's a
Red bliss or something.
red bliss or something. There's one.
Don't listen to me.
We should probably, maybe I need a container. Isn't that
Perhaps.
nice? Let's see. That was one. I got one potato.
That was one.
One potato.
That has to take us the whole winter.
Oh dear.
Three hours later. Ooh, there's one.
There's a second potato. Ooh, we got into a little
there
batch
you
of
go.
potatoes here.
There you go.
A teensy
There's a
one.
little guy. That'll go in the stew.
Oh, these are all going in with
Yeah.
roast tomorrow. So these are.
Oh, cool.
I mean, although
Yeah.
they're tiny,
They're okay.
they're perfect for what I'm trying to do.
Yeah. And those little green guys that come off the vine, and they contain seed. That's neat.
Yep.
Keep digging.
There's weeds right
More
there.
stuff here.
And there may be some down below the ground too, but right now I'm just looking for the stuff above. All right, well.
They were down there. You gotta do
They
some
were,
digging. Look
yeah,
at
they
that.
were not all, they were, there's a nice one.
Ooh.
They were above the, see
That's a
there's
good
the, do you see the clay there? That's,
Yeah.
that's the regular soil underneath.
You got a few more.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, see where the clay and the
Yeah.
kicking up.
And clay soil.
It's
No
classic
rocks, but,
Ohio.
yeah,
No
no
rocks,
rocks,
but
but
clay.
plenty of clay. See if we got anything else that I can feel over here. Ooh, I see. Ooh, there's a nice one there. Couple. Ooh,
There's some
a
nice
good one.
ones. Get down in there with
Ooh, look at
Oh,
that.
that's a big one.
That's an actual potato, Ed.
Look at that. Oh,
at
wow,
that.
that's a nice one.
Mhm.
Well, that, very good. Nice, about baseball size.
Another little guy.
Another one.
We call that a new potato, I guess.
Awesome.
Okay. Look at that.
They're adding up.
I don't have to go to the market for potatoes. That's good.
It's a
That's
good
why we're
one.
doing this today and not tomorrow. Because I was afraid that maybe I would have to.
I'm gonna come around here.
Oh, okay, here's some more.
There we go. Now I can see. Oh, there's a nice one down there.
Another one. That's good.
Very good.
And a little guy. We'll take him.
We'll take them.
It'll be delicious.
Now it looks like they
Looks
get
like
down
what?
there a bit, but they stop right about where the. Oh wow.
Well,
there's some
I
actually in
haven't.
the clay.
I haven't dug into the clay yet, so I really don't know.
Well, that one came out of the clay.
Yeah, this one was in the clay.
Just needs to be washed.
Yep.
Very cool.
It's pretty muddy, but it's a potato.
Okay, you gotta wash it. That's all. No big deal.
Yeah. All right.
You can always get one of your gardening tools later and do some clawing about.
Yep.
Make sure no one's down there.
Yeah, right.
This one you just went right
Oh,
over
I
it,
went
right
over.
there. Look at that.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, very good.
I had no particular.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get the claw down, and they're pretty good.
I had no particular like
See the clay
expectations
base.
of this. I'm mostly just happy that there's something at all.
Yeah.
And in a second here, we're going to be going into the other type. Ooh, there's another red one.
Oh, wow. Very cool. Come on over here. They're adding up. Nice.
I don't know if there'll be anything in the middle here. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Oh, boy.
There we go. Yes, there will be. Ooh, this
Wow.
one's
Oh, wow.
nice.
That one's huge. They're getting bigger. Hold that one up. Look at that. Nice. Good job. Very good. Looks like potatoes did pretty good.
Well, I don't know yet that we're at the price.
It's a nice earth
If I think about how much I spent for the...
Watch that guy come around.
He's cute. He's like, what?
There's another one down there.
What is disturbing my slumber?
See that one?
The
there,
worm?
right by where your index finger
Oh.
is.
Oh, the potato?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
tiny guy.
That is
Give that
the...
one to the worm.
I don't know what we're going to do. Throw that in the pile, because it counts, I guess.
Wow. So there's still some down there, aren't there?
Maybe. I'm going to do a full... I'll do a full investigation here. I'll
Yeah,
have
this
to
is just the
move-
first.
I'll have to move the soil. Now I think we're getting into a different type of potato here in a minute. Oh, no, these are still the reds.
Okay, there's a nice one.
Look at these silly little...
The little guys. They're tiny.
I wonder why the plants died off so quickly if the potatoes were tiny.
Mhm. Still getting a decent harvest so far. I mean,
It's fun.
for a tiny
this is
little
super
garden, like
fun.
this is, yeah.
This one's... that's a boy.
Oh,
I'm kidding.
I don't know.
Ooh, what is that? Is that rotting? Ew. I think that's a rotted potato.
Well, don't go no. Look at the size of that guy. That's huge. Wow, that's nice.
That's an actual full-size potato.
Even
Wow.
the geese are like, wow, it's just potatoes, man. Another nice one. What other varieties are in here besides the like Red Bliss
We've
style?
got a Yukon Gold and the red, and we've got a, I think just a white potato. So we've got
Oh,
red,
okay.
white, and oh no, I think we've got a purple. Now there's don't show it, but there's some more potatoes over there that aren't
But
quite.
they're not ready.
They're not ready yet.
Why
They're
can't
still
I show
green
it?
because there's a lot of weeds there.
Oh,
And they'll look at it and they'll say, I don't see any potatoes.
I see.
I'll weed those when I'm done
You're
here.
doing a good job, that kid. There's Wendy harvesting. Look at her. Look at her go.
Look at her digging.
She's digging.
Dig. There's a biggie.
Good job. There's another nice one.
Yep. It's a little. It's funny. They
This is
kind of.
wonderful.
They
Look at that.
seem to stay in clusters. Apparently.
Now we can make vodka. Is this the first time you've done potatoes?
Yeah, my mom did potatoes when I was a kid.
Okay.
She didn't have great luck. She jokingly says she's a failure as an Irishman. She couldn't, but it was just.
It's just the
It was-
Massachusetts soil
It,
back
or
there.
the year,
Here in
or
Ohio, we get the clay,
yeah,
but
yeah. It's really hard. We really have a hard time with root vegetables in our yard. I don't have the patience for
come over here.
the work we need to do, or I should probably move my phone. Hold
Yeah, you
on.
want to get your phone out of there. It's gonna get wrecked. This is a decent little harvest so far.
Yeah, I don't think we've grown the cost of the seed potatoes yet,
No,
but maybe
come back over.
we'll get there. I'm like, oh, what's that? It's my rock of the edge of my garden. All right, let's see if there's anything over here at all. There should be.
You found this in like 9 minutes and 40 seconds and counting here.
Oh.
That's a pretty quick harvest.
Yeah.
You can smell them too. Or that one that was rotting, you could smell that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, just let it go. It'll be...
All right. I'm hoping
Let's see
there's
what we have
something
the other.
in here.
Now you saw what style was on. Oh, there we go.
Well, that's the ones, the Yukon Golds, I believe.
Awesome.
Look at that. That's nothing wrong with that.
Very good. Oh wow. There we go. Get down in there.
Okay, that one's smaller, but lovely. Little guy. This one, teensy one.
Yep. I'll go for a stew. What do we do with all this soil?
Um,
Gonna need a bucket.
I'm gonna mix it in, but I don't. I'm gonna mix it into the garden, but not here because it's way too wet back here. But the potatoes don't seem to have minded it.
No. Come back a little bit.
Although, maybe it would have done better if it wasn't as wet back here. I'm really not sure.
It's been very wet.
Yeah, it's been a rough year, water-wise. I feel like I say that every year. Either it's too much or too little. All right, well, high hopes of what might be in here.
What's all that in front of you, too?
Yeah, this is, so these are all kind of attached here.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that. Check that out. I have to get that on the camera. That's awesome. Look at that. Nice.
Wonder if there are any big boys in here to go along with that little medium guys, but we will look. Let me just set this aside for a moment.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, now we're losing them.
I know. I didn't bring I didn't, look at me with my low expectations. I didn't even bring out anything to put them in. Oh, here's another nice one.
It's been a serendipitous event.
Oops, sorry.
There's a good one down there, huh?
Yeah, that's a good one. I love all the different bugs that are in the soil here. We've got little creepy crawlies and worms and ants and spiders and all manner of things that I don't want crawling up my arm.
There, protein. We'll eat those too.
You can eat. I think those are weed roots, right?
Yeah, I guess once we move the soil out, and we can probably just do another look around and some more down there.
Yeah, we have more here. Ooh, nice little
Oh, wow.
cache here.
Quite a few.
It really surprises me that they don't rot. I mean, I know they're supposed to be in the ground, but
Yep. Cool.
all right. There might be something here in the middle. Probably need to move these guys to check properly.
Yeah. Well, this is a pretty good start, though.
It is.
Come back.
Yeah,
out,
there's
do another sweep for whatever we've missed, I'm sure.
Yep.
We're gonna have to get a big bowl or a bucket or something.
Just look in here in this middle spot. Let's see if there's anything of interest.
All right.
I guess.
I'm gonna keep filming, or shall I stop now?
I guess that's about it.
So we got a pretty good harvest.
Yeah. That won't we won't be surviving any winters with this.
No, but it was just our first try at potatoes. Not bad.
Tomorrow's pot roast is going to be amazing with these little guys.
Yeah.
To go pick some carrots too.
Cool beans.
All right.
All right.